Okay, so this is a video on how to export a file to be 3D printed. So I have my file, my object right here that I want to be 3D printed. I go to File, Save As, Save Copy As, and then in this list, you need to select STL. So I find in here .stl, and I can go ahead and save this. I would save it to your U drive, so you can call it, also identify the file name with your last name. So I'm going to go ahead and put my last name .stl. Make sure that the save type as is STL. So when you have exported that, then you're going to have to upload it to Canvas in order for me to print it. And for this project right here that we're working on, the assignment in Canvas that you uploaded to is the optional 3D print of castle assignment. Now, you do not have to have me 3D print your object for points at all. You're just going to only upload your object if you want me to try to 3D print it. So a couple of notes about this. If you don't get to choose the color of the material that I use, but you will have the option to paint it after it's been printed. So after it's been printed, I have lots of paints. You can paint it. So it may be printed in pink, it may be printed in black, but afterwards you can just paint it. 3D printing takes a long time. It may be over a month before I get to print your castle. I can usually print one, maybe two students per day, and I have a total of 70 students, so it's going to take me quite a while to get through everybody, so just be patient. And then the last thing that I want to note is also often, a lot of the time, about half the time, 3D prints fail. I will attempt to print your castle twice. If it fails the first time, I'll try to print it again, but if it fails both times, I'm just going to move on to the next student and you won't be able to get your castle printed. There's lots of reasons why 3D printing won't work. For a particular object, I'll give it the best shot that I can and I'll do the best that I can, but I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance as some of yours just won't be able to be printed. But again, that won't affect your grade. Okay, let me know if you have any questions about this.